Standard 8, Chapter number 8. Role of Parliament in a democratic country. Our country, India, is the largest democracy in the world. For example, as our elders administers and manage our house or home. Similarly, the administration of country is done by the government. Government take necessary steps and implement the law to run the country. Our country has a democratic system of governments. All the countries in the world do not have democratic system. The types of government are in two forms. First is monarchy and second is democracy. Monarchy means Rajashahi. In this type of rule, the king or the queen of that particular region or state rule over the state and take final decisions related to security, economic conditions and welfare of the people of their states. The other form in this type of government, the power to take decisions and run administrations is in the hands of the king or queen. The king's decision discusses the matters with a group of advisors, that means mantri of his court, by the power, but the power to take the final decisions lies in the king or queen only. The most important characteristic of democracy is that the sole power to rule is not in the hands of one person or a group of people. People themselves are the creator of their destiny. We cannot choose our king or queen, but we can choose the leaders in democratic country. The word democracy in Gujarati means Lokshahi. People elect their representative through voting. The government is formed by the winning candidates. The government function keeping the public in center in the democracy. Local government, state government and central government are formed. In democracy, there are two types of government, presidential government and parliamentary government. The government which is handled by the president of the country is known as presidential government. And the government which is handled by the parliament of the country, that is known as parliamentary government. India is run according to parliamentary government. In some countries of the world, presidential democracy is seen. In India, there is parliamentary government. In some countries, chief ministers or prime ministers is elected by the elected representative in the democracy. It is said that that the government is run by people directly or indirectly, because our prime minister, our elected members are elected by the citizens of the country. Therefore, they are known as the power to run the country. Government also works for the people. The tenure, that means time period, of the elected government in our country is 5 years. It is done. For example, if we take the example of electing a chief or a head monitor in the school, election must be done between among the students of the school. The other students will vote for the their representative, and the final one, the student who get the more vote, will succeed as the monitor of the school or the class. Parliamentary government works differently than the presidential government. India is a parliamentary democracy. So how the parliament is formed in our country. We will learn about it. India has adopted parliamentary form of democracy. The parliament is the supreme institute in India. The Parliament of India consists of the President and the two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha is known as the lower house and Rajya Sabha is known as the upper house. Parliament. Lok Sabha has total 554 members, in which 26 seats are for Gujarat. Rajya Sabha has 250 members, in which 11 seats are for Gujarat. There are more members in Lok Sabha other than Rajya Sabha. The Indian Parliament, formed post-independence, is a symbol of the trust of the people of India. As I stated before at the beginning of this chapter, that after independence India became a democratic country. But before independence it was a monarchy state ruling by the kings and the queens. The main feature of decision making in democracy are the people's consent and their participation. In our system of governance, the parliament enjoys the complete power since it comprises the elected representative of the nation. The people or the representative elected by the citizens of the country will represent their thoughts and views and work for the welfare of the citizens of the country in Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha. Functions of the parliament. Functions means work of the parliament. To control the government and to provide information and guidance to it. Second, to make laws and make amendments in them. The main feature or the main function of government is to provide information and guidance to how to rule the country. Second is to make the laws, rules, and if necessary to make some changes in it for the better welfare of the country. Here we are completing our part 1 of this chapter, the role of parliament in democratic country, in which we have learned how the parliament is formed and the forms of government, that is monarchy and democracy. In next part we will learn about how the Lok Sabha is formed and how Rajya Sabha is formed. Till then you have to refer page number 47, 48 and 49. Thank you.